Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa family. As you know, guys, the traditional wedding is coming up. No, the AG wedding. The Attorney General Babylon wedding is coming up, family.
I thought you wanted to do a second tradition. And you've not told my mother and my what? My father's.
Yeah, family. So we'll be doing an AG wedding, an Attorney General wedding, and for persons who need guidance, looking to get married in another country. If you don't know the basic, you might have to go back to get your documents and come back. So, in this video, I just want to advise you what you need when you're going to do a traditional Attorney General wedding, an AG wedding. That's what we call it that's what we call it your AG wedding. And what we call it in Jamaica is register office general or something, registered. I don't know, comment family, but what do call this wedding? And you just go to the in the West, you can just go to the pastor's home to do it.
Even here you can.
You can go to the home to do it if you want.
But now, that is if you don't want to do it at the AG's office, at the Attorney General's office. But now here you see you're going to his office, like that's where you're going to do. So here it's called a civil wedding. But still, if you wanted to do it like where we will call a few people, a few family members, because at the Attorney General you only need four people, like bride, the groom, and the two witnesses.
One for me and one for you. Yeah, family. So
you can still do it that way. But still, they'll have to come for the marriage certificate at the Attorney General's office.
Oh yeah, they have to complete it on your behalf. But when you do it there, and that they get it same time, same place. So it's easier to do it at the Attorney General office, family.
I think it's easy and saving you a lot of unnecessary.
And it's cheaper because you have to pay the pastor.
Yeah, you'll have to pay.
You'll have to pay. Yeah.
And also, if you're trying to not necessarily cut in cost, but you don't want a lot of fandangles in your thing. I mean, it's just a marriage certificate.
But to be honest with your family, I don't feel like you need the fandangle. The fandangle is already in the traditional wedding. And traditional wedding not even finished yet. Because I have to go back a second time, a third time, a fourth time, a fifth time. All the time, family, I have to be going back.
Actually,
So it's not just like...
And now when you do it the second time, now that will be the fandangles.
Yeah, that's a different... Every time you go is a different...
it's a different celebration.
A different celebration and stuff.
And a different way of doing things.
So, see, the first time you go is like introduction. The second time is what?
Now, like what you did was more or less of introduction, but still you go with the bride price. Yeah. But now the second time when you come, and also the way of doing things at that day is totally different. If you notice, there was no singing.
No singing, okay.
There was no singing because it was just introduction. But now when you come this time round, the sodas will be there, maybe a log of banana. It has to be carried a different way, and they have to dance with the sodas, throw them up and down. So, all that.
Yeah, family. So as you know, Babylon always get them.
Babylon just go to AG and blood clot.
Babylon always get them animal thing, and them always try to come in between culture and tradition, family. So I don't think you should waste the money on a white wedding. The money should be wasting and giving the girl parents for growing her, so you can, as the man, can have her. So that's the money you should waste. You shouldn't be wasting and keeping a white wedding in a church and all of these things.
And also opening your blessings, because once you do that, it's like our parents, not necessarily. Even my mother, they'll have to do that thing they do on their chest. Yeah,
so it's like an appreciation, family. But in the West, that's no, you can just go and pick somebody from all over the place, and you just do your thing. And when marriage start to fall apart, you have to ask yourself why. But those are the reasons why, because people in the West don't follow tradition. They don't know about tradition because the Western culture take that away, family. So that's the reason why we do tradition here. Tradition was before all of these colonization thing come about. So we still have to follow it, and then when you follow it, that's how everything fall into place, family.
The funny part, back then, like now our grandparents and stuff, back then. That's how they used to do it.
Yeah, so you know what I mean. There was no like all of these things just keeping records in the family.
Used to take how many
Imagine to get married is so cheap, but to get divorced, that's when everybody in Babylon system start to benefit from that system. Even the government benefit.
Yeah, because you have to pay a fee.
You have to pay a fee. You have to do a lot of things. You have to go to lawyers. You have to do all kind of things.
But even,
and sometimes, you know what I mean.
Even traditional wedding, for example, if let's say you break up with the woman.
Yeah.
Now who incurs? There it's the lady who incurs the cost because we have to return back your things.
Yeah.
Every couple you have to return. If you had removed a bride price of like 100,000 and also that cost that was done that day, the sodas, the what, the not, everything is counted and then you're given back. To open doors for the woman or even for you, you can remarry or the girl can get married again. Else you'll keep being tied because you cannot remove bride price for two people. You cannot buy two people. And you cannot be bought twice.
You cannot be bought twice. Yeah, family. So as I said, the traditional way is more like, you know, it's kind of complicated. And then all the Babylon system way. The Babylon system way, everybody just go them way, and you just pay your money, and you go through the divorce process, and most of the time the woman just come and take half away you have, all kind of thing, and stuff like that. But in the African way, the man don't lose nothing. But in the Babylon way, the man lose everything, family. So you see, it's a setup. Yeah, family. So get back on track to the documents that you have to have. When you come in, you have to have an impediment and you have to have your birth certificate certified or authenticated, family. So you need to do that before you come. If you're coming to Africa to actually get a family and to get married, you have to do these things in your country and bring them here. And then, you know, everything else, we don't need anything else. That's all I need. You know, those and if you was married back in the West, that's what you need, the impediment to show that whatever.
But if you've been married, no.
The impediment to show that you're not married. So if you're married and if you're divorced,
certificate. So what you took at the AG is certificate of no impediment. Or letter of no impediment.
So if you was married in the West and you're divorced, and you say, you know what, let me try in Africa. You have to come with your degree, your decree of what? Absolute, yeah. So to show that you get a divorce certificate, show that you're divorced, you have to come with that and stuff, family.
Yeah, if you're divorced now, you'll come with a certificate, or the divorce, whatever that one, and authentication.
Yeah. All right, family. So we actually heading out to Village Market. Miss Jam Tours, I was planning to just wear some clothes. Miss Jam Tours said, no, you have to get a new shirt and a new pants. And a new shoe. So we're gonna go out to Village Market to try to find something to wear on that day.
Yeah,
so
it's our day,
let's go.
a ticket.
Yeah, family. So we actually at Village Market. We get a nice parking. It's a Friday,
Look at up there.
and everything is actually it's packed and full. It's a Friday. Christmas week. Next week is Christmas week. So this is a Friday now. People out and about, family.
To buy Christmas.
To buy a Christmas gift and whatever. But I'm here to get my wedding shirt and pants, family. So let's go. It's Village Market, and let's go. Find a nice parking all the way down. It's the furthest I ever parked since I actually came here.
I'm even trying to
Feel like we
imagine.
can take those steps and go up, right?
I'm not sure.
Wait,
I wonder how I can manage to blood clot.
let's just take the
Oh, what
video
of
route.
these ones? What of these stairs? Where
Yeah, we can.
the whatever is dropping?
Yeah, family. So we're actually at Village Market, and it's a Friday, and the place is packed. So let's go. Let's go, Miss Jam Tours. This is the market, the Village Market. There's a big hotel across there called Tribe, and you know, people just come over and come to Village Market. It's a perfect spot. So if you're a foreigner and you want to come to Kenya, this is a nice hotel, Tribe, for you to experience. You know, I mean, Gigeri. It's actually in Gigeri. Christmas time in Village Market. Oh, they have home box here, and yeah, that's what I was saying. I was wondering why there's so much thing there. Yeah, family. So we're in a place called Max, and that's where I'm going to get my pants and shirt for the wedding. So let's go. Let's go inside and see. Oh, look at this couch. Yeah, I like the feel. Rocking chair. Wow.
It can't fall you down.
Yeah. Yeah, family. So in Max, it's a partition at home box and Max. But I like it. Yeah.
You love the
I love the feel. Feel is very nice. Yeah. Alright, family, let's go. We'll have to take our Jamaican sister here because she haven't get couch yet and all these things. And these are like decor and stuff for the house. But this is home backs. So this, that shade and that shade. Okay. No other shade, no go.
Because even in LC,
Yeah.
they're still played anyways. So I'd rather
Okay. Alright.
and
Yeah,
if
you know,
they're
but you
bright-
know that when you have a wedding, it should be in bright colors, anyways.
Yeah.
Either white or some. Yeah. Alright, family. So we're gonna try these two and see how it
You
looks.
like them?
Eh?
You like them?
Yeah.
Because I don't see any other color.
Yeah.
'Cause
Let me see one. So guy, big man. Oh,
yeah, big.
Yeah, family. This is I'll be taking the 36. When you start to read.
How does it feel?
Yeah, family. So this is it. That is it. 36.
36.
When you wear 32 and 34, you're like a boy.
Still I am baby boy.
36 is fancy.
Yeah. See, I told you 36 is your size and you just wanted to show me that 36 will be too big. And I know it's your size.
Because I know where I'm coming from, so I'm coming from 32, 34, 30.
You're headed to 38 soon.
I see the stuff now. Yeah, family. So I actually get my pants and shirt. No, it's there. I have it. I get my pants and shirt from Max. There's a shop called Baby Shop. So Miss Jam Tours want to check it out because we have to do some new shopping for Jamesh. So we're just gonna check on some stuff there at Baby Shop at Village Market. So Miss Jam Tours gonna check it out. This is an anta right here, so too. They have the same thing or they have different thing? Bata. Is it different?
Butter from which one?
Is it different bata?
It's the same butter, but maybe it's different things.
Yeah, but they have nice soup. Yeah, soup please. Oh, this is where we see the suitcase at the airport. Yeah, we say we'll come and buy. Apsa. Yeah? Oh, it's on the other side. Oh, you wanna go there? So we'll go there first. I think it's right here. Yeah, it's right here. We'll give me some.
I know. They wanted to bash me up now. I don't mean for everybody.
Yeah.
But
Yeah?
I'll feed myself.
And cream, coconut and cream, avocado and cream. It's a nice place for kids. This is a kids store, sweetie. This is a kids store, not for. Which one I want? Yeah.
I don't know vaccine for how many months.
Vaccine for this? Yeah. Right?
Now give vaccine for this. A booster. If you was given
Yeah.
if you was given like an annual vaccine,
Yeah.
let's say for one, there's a booster for it.
Right? These people want to kill all the children. They want your kids to be Down syndrome.
Actually, the baby has all those vaccines. And then I told her, imagine how much except the baby friendly he got. And the one for measles, this one that was gotten. And he's not even getting them. Actually, he's not getting them. That's what I told her.
Yeah. What she said? She was shocked.
She was shocked. She told me, guys, when are you going back for the clinic of vaccination? I told her, imagine you're going back and he'll be 18 months.
And it's not like say, you know.
And it's not like he'll be injected.
Yeah.
And then she told me, hey, I need to see that you're a pediatrician. I said, I'm a pediatrician, no woman. She recommends a lot of things.
But the thing is you have to tell your
I
child.
told her.
Is you have to tell them that you don't want it.
The other day, her doctor tells her
Yeah.
she needs to go for a test. Now that the other lady that died with because of the, how do you call it? The heart problem.
Yeah.
She's a cardiac. Or she
Aramix delivery.
should make.
This is a place, eh? Okay. I was just looking. There's a pharmacy, health place. Eh.
Ati? Where was I? Because they're not even listening to me that time.
Sweetie, I'm listening, sweetie.
So where was I?
So the heart problem, she must go for a checkup.
No, I think she should take this baby for heart dialysis.
Okay.
This new baby.
For what reason, sweetie?
Ati, because she's a heart rate. Ati. And then she told the doctor, but she didn't know how come she can.
Can walk, yes.
No.
Free delivery. Yeah, these doctors, trust me. Yeah, if you listen to them, some of the time your blood clotting up. Cause more harm than good. Yeah. Yeah. Christmas time. Body shop.
Baby shop. I feel like they've had a new stock on the side.
Yeah. This is what? Oh, people that find nice shirts inside here. Baby shop. Let's go inside baby shop. Oh, they even have sale. You want newborns? Yeah. Right from.
But what I don't like about baby shop for big we don't have the parts.
Yeah. Newborns. This is for a girl. Sets for baby. This and this. This also no. This is for girls. Bathing. Or then you have different sections with the bathing, bedding. So you just look at the section. So what we need. Yeah. Carlos Cafe. Walk through. Bob Marley. Guy, where them have the restroom here? Or them have pizza out here now? I think it's the toilet is where?
You want to eat pizza?
I don't know. This is where we went. We came Christmas Eve, right? Yeah. What's that? Thanks.
And it's still going on. What is again after?
I don't really see nothing for him there. You never check this Vivo, sweetie. Yeah. A lot of nice things. I think we'll come to this one to shop next, right? Downstairs is what? We never got downstairs yet, sweetie.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We go?
Yeah, let's go.
They have nice dresses.
Yeah, I think we'll go there.
It's park.
Oh, it's parking. I don't have parking underneath there. It's parking, guys. Service center on a holiday. Guess when we come, we'll come here soon.
Because I'm not buying anything. I would have entered to see what they have.
Yeah.
I have a picture there.
Oh, you can go on and look. Washroom. Mommy, a millionaire, said the money, call me. Yeah. Eh? Ghana? Ghana. Yeah, family, so we actually finished with village market. I do hope you actually enjoyed the vlog. Like, share and comment. Let us know your thoughts. Miss Jam tours, mind your fall. You're running down the stairs like you're not pregnant. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, family, so like, share and comment on the video. Let us know your thoughts. Let us know what's happening. You know, we are out and we are just came to do the shopping for the Attorney General wedding. Let us know if you're learning anything from this video, and if you will be getting married in the Holy Land. The Holy Land is Africa. Holy Land. You never know, now you know. I'm out. One love. God bless Jamaica.